In this video, I will show you step by step how you can record an external display on OBS. So as you can see, right, I've got OBS open on my device. Now what I want to do is I want to go down to where it says sources. I want to right click or click on the plus icon right here. You then want to select display capture. And then once we select display capture, you just want to click on OK. You can go ahead and change the name of it, so you can put in external display. Click on OK, and then that will then bring you to this page. Now you want to go to where it says display right here. You want to click on the drop down menu, and then you want to select your external display. Now once you do this, you might need to resize this in your window. So let's go ahead and resize this. And then once you have resized it, as you can see, this is my external display, which is on OBS right now. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can record an external display on OBS.